Sweden is the leading market online for pharmacies, so the difference is huge compared to other pharmacies internationally. Within Sweden, we compete against bricks and mortar, which still dominate the market, with 5 to 10 times as many products, and according to media, 40 to 60% lower prices on anything that is not price regulated, the prescribed medicine. We're one of the few that's focused solely on the online opportunity, and we compete with a very high service level. So early mornings, late evenings, 7 days a week, and we give qualified advice, and we deliver to the door to a large part of the country, and within Stockholm, which is 50% of the market, 1 to 2 hours from order completion. We're active on a huge home market of 50 billion Swedish krona that keeps growing, and it's also in the middle of a shift from bricks and mortar to online. So we aim to capture a few percent of this market by 2026 by continuing to build happy and satisfied customers that return and are loyal to us. And to achieve that, we are building a very, very strong team with experience not just from the pharma, but also tech and growth companies. And finally, focus on operational efficiency. So each order adds more and more profit, and thus a bottom line that in the long term is very healthy. It's the perfect product to sell online. The boxes are very small. There's no touch and feel element from the customer side. It's easy for us to ship. There are no returns, and also no very limited seasonality, and it's also completely uncyclical. So it's the perfect product really to buy and to sell, and thus have a very promising future as an online good. The board have chosen to go public now that we're in our fourth year of operation in order to broaden the shareholder base and get access to capital markets to support our continued journey to become one of the largest online pharmacies. Sweden is the leading market, but we do see other markets evolving and becoming more attractive year by year. So with increased adoption of electronic prescriptions, digital ID, and better regulation, we do have the option in the future to move into a new international market. In the meantime, we are active on a very large home market of Swedish 50 billion, and that will support our growth for several years. Well, to achieve our growth and profit targets, we need to have loyal customers and keep building that customer base so we do become the favorite pharmacy in Sweden. To achieve that, we need a great team, and we have that today, but we keep adding new competences. And finally, increasing operational efficiency continuously with higher volumes, so we get a higher and higher profit per order, and thus create a profitable company overall.